Okay, you guys, today's project is sent from Sephora, and it's a beauty junkie. Her name is Jalisa. You guys want to jump in and look at it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see it.
It's your girl, Jalisa Chavez. I am 28 years old, and I live in Los Angeles, California.
Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous.
She's so cute.
Here goes a few of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. On the bottom, I keep like applicators when I am doing my client's makeup.
Oh, client. Okay, so she's a makeup artist.
Oh, she's a makeup
too.
artist. That makes sense.
This is all of my powders. It goes all the way to the back. Right here, I have an overload of skincare. I just throw in here because I don't have time to organize it. When I started my artistry business, I started with so little. I literally could not afford makeup. Now that I have pretty much all of the products that I ever wanted, I don't want to give any of it up.
I actually feel good about this one. I know this seems like a lot, but
I think that there might be double the product. We have her product and then we have client product too.
Should we just go meet her?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
So cozy.
Should we take a seat?
Yes, please.
Okay,
perfect.
How's your morning going?
Oh my god, it's so early, but guess what? I am ready for today.
Obviously, I feel like you love makeup because makeup is amazing.
I was like, you can tell.
Yeah, honestly, the way that your blush is like her face.
You're
like,
making me blush more.
Thank you.
Is there something that you're nervous about? Like last night, were you like, okay, I'm stressed about the organizing, or are you excited?
Honestly, I'm nervous about the getting rid of things.
Ooh, okay, that's
The
normal.
organizing will be a refreshing.
Yeah.
I think I was about to say it's gonna be a little tough maybe to get rid of things, but we're gonna kind of help you think and reason through what you should keep and get rid of.
Yeah.
So
Be
we'll make
more strategic.
Should we
We'll
take a
be
look?
here.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Let's do it.
Okay, love it.
Alrighty, come on in.
Oh, cute.
I
Okay.
think my makeup collection's bigger than my room.
Do you feel like you have an overwhelming amount of makeup that doesn't fit into the space, or is it more just about like, I don't know how to organize it?
I think it's a little bit of both. It's causing me to pick up the same things over and over
Yeah.
again.
Totally.
It's that go-to
Yes,
girl.
totally.
But maybe seeing it all organized will make me appreciate that $50 lipstick that I have.
Sophia and I can work our categorizing magic.
Okay.
Okay,
You know,
perfect.
as you guys sort through.
Okay,
right?
great. Yeah.
All right, team, are we gonna break?
Oh.
Here we go.
I think we got a break.
One, two, three.
Yeah, we have this space here and this space here.
Yeah.
I feel like we can end up having a really clean slate.
I feel like there's method to the madness.
Yes.
So you're a makeup artist? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're probably gonna think through like, this is the makeup that I need for clients, and then this is the makeup that's my makeup, right?
Okay, yes. More than likely it's separated.
Okay. Today's gonna be a little bit of therapy.
Yeah.
You're gonna learn so much about yourself.
Those are like my basic foundations
Should
for
I
all
just
my
even
clients.
gather them all together?
Yeah, like these are the ones.
These are a lot right here.
Makeup, like I just appreciate like the colors, like the undertones. Like these are all very different. Like
And you said that you like to color match, right? Like that's what
Yeah,
you're really
like-
passionate about?
yeah, because
So-
I've had my horror stories where I've gotten my makeup done for like shoots, and it's kind of annoying that artists don't take the time to really learn how to work with all skin tones, you know?
Is that why you have blue?
Yeah, so that's a mixing pigment. This helps oxidize like the orange hues in makeup.
Okay.
So like if
I'll put
it's
this
too
over
orange,
here.
it's add
That's
a
so
little
cool.
blue.
That really is. You're like a little mad scientist in there. What about this? This looks old.
It is old. I don't even remember how I got that. We can throw her
Dump.
out.
Okay. Okay, we are kind of getting towards the end. I was thinking, should I just like really test your skill?
I love a good challenge.
What year did the Beauty Blender sponge debut?
I would say like 2009.
2003.
Wow, that's
Wow.
old.
Okay, setting spray and fixing spray, are they the same, true or false?
They are not the same.
What's the difference between a setting spray and a finishing spray? Or
Fixing spray, it's more of like a bond. It makes your makeup kind of like stick together. A setting spray is just like a refresher. You can do setting spray before, after, in between your makeup.
Honestly, I feel like I have no idea if you were right with those, but Google says you are right, so I'm impressed.
Are y'all ready?
You might not see everything right away.
Okay.
Oh, you closed your eyes. Okay.
Open love.
Oh my God!
We'll run you through everything.
Oh my gosh, this is so amazing.
Yeah. I put actually a container for all of your serums. So that way they're contained, they're not falling over in the big bin, but it's all in one place.
I love it.
We kept in mind what you said from the beginning. You were like, when I sit down, I want to be able to have all of my prep, all of my tools. You're using all these brushes, you're grabbing and going all the time. So it's better to just have them out and about.
These things make such a difference.
And this is all customizable. Like if you want to mix and match trays.
This is your section. This is your place to be and just.
Even my palettes, like they were all in the closet. So.
And they're all standing upright, so you can just flip through them and it's easier to get ready.
You were such a wonderful energy today, and you did wonderful with your edit. We know you're a makeup artist and a skincare guru. Miss Sephora came through today.
Here we go. First of all, right off the bat. Oh my god!
Oh, I want a white shirt. I need to stop.
Oh my god, you're making me want to cry.
You're gonna make me cry.
Thank you, Sephora.
Do you think you could take a client appointment now, or do you feel good about?
My chair's gonna go right where Bryce is standing.
Yes.
This is so right.
The Sephora baked blushes are so good.
Give it to me, bro.
You see how it kind of just hugs the eye when you let it
Damn.
get tacky?
You saw the tears in my eyes? Oh, girl.
Hello.
Come on in.
Stop!
What's her name? What's her name?
Sabrina.
Holy crap! Wait, you're shit. I'm like, honestly, I'm like past the eyelashes now.
You know, I just want to say thank you to you. And Sephora is amazing for this. So thank you so much, Sephora. Let's close it out with Sephora.
Okay.
Love it.
Shout out to Sephora.
1, 2, 3.